Hello viewer, it's the shape of a bicycle shape there and try here as well. Choose the different shapes, have some structure. In Photoshop we will apply the different changes there. Choose a different design, explore the options we will find to make an attraction there. Add a paint for it. Use the eraser tool. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So here I will use the round rectangular shape, made another design to explore it, find the shapes again. Let's have a design there, made an attraction.